Cast on the numbers of the stitches, multiply to 10 plus 1 stitch. The first row, work 9 knit stitches. Slip the 10th stitch, and continue alternating. The second row, repeat as in the previous row. The third row, work 9 stitches with twice around the needle. Slip the 10th stitch with yarn in back. The fourth row, work a purl stitch, cast on 4 stitches. Nine stitches, reshoot without working them, lowering the yarn over. Work 9 stitches together as a purl stitch, cast on 4 stitches. Purl stitch and repeat the rapport. Next, work with any pattern.